Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here to share the April Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit is the smaller of our two collection kits, so you get two brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You also get access to two recipe cards. These are for double page layouts that our design team creates for you, and then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and you'll have a color photograph to see what the finished layout looks like. You also get access to a free cut file. So this is this month's cut file. Life is so sweet. So these are designed by Cut to You and they're exclusive to the Scrap Room for our subscribers. So be sure to get that as well. This month it's all about spring vibes, just gorgeous florals, beautiful soft colors. So we're featuring Simple Stories Wildflower Collection and Echo Park's Life is Beautiful. This is great for everyday memory keeping. They're just gorgeous. So let's dig right in and we're going to take a closer look at everything you're going to get in this month's kit. First up is the Wildflower Collection from Simple Stories, and I am absolutely in love with this. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of natural cardstock, 1 sheet of Jetstream. Your pattern papers is this gorgeous large pink floral. This is called Complete Bliss. The back is a small little sprig, pink on pink. Then we have this paper called Love Greatly, which is the moths and butterflies in the blue and the gold. And then we have like a ticking print on the back in the blue. This one's called Breathe Deep. Little small white florals on that gold. And then the back is a gold floral with the little birds. They kind of look like swallows on that pink background. Just gorgeous. It's a little bit vintage. Just love the beautiful colors. For your embellishments, you're going to get one of the chipboard frames. So these will vary. I got this one that's a double with the little butterfly and moth. You're also going to get some of the foam phrases. So these are the ones that I got. Again, those will vary among the kits. And then you'll also get 1/4 a pack of the die cut pieces. So these are the ones that I got. Just beautiful. Perfect for everyday memory keeping. We have this that says friends, so you could document about your friends, your family. So that is Simple Stories Wildflower. And this collection is from Echo Park. It's called Life is Beautiful. So again, another everyday collection, has a very spring vibe. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of desert cactus. Your pattern paper is this really fun butterfly print with the back green with the little pink in the center. That one's called Beautiful Butterflies. Then we have a plaid with a white X on pink. That one is called Life of Plaid. We have a floral print, all the different colors, and the back is a little white dot on that kind of Williamsburg blue. That one is called Life in Full Bloom. So one more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get some enamel dots, so these will vary. You're going to get 2 sheets out of the sticker book, so those will vary, but this is what I got. I got some borders and a little journaling spot and some little icons, butterflies. You're also going to get 1/5 a pack of the die cut pieces. So again, all of the embellishments will vary. I got a little banner and then some little phrases. So that is Life is Beautiful from Echo Park. One more look at your double shot kit for April. Be sure to check out all the other kits. If you're wanting more collections, check out our Flavors of the Month, which has 4. We also have add-ons that go with those, so you can make them go even further. Don't forget to download your free cut file and your free recipe cards for your double page layouts. Join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. We have lots of fun. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.